It may look like a charred stump, but in fact it's a book, a papyrus scroll that was once owned by Julius Caesar's father-in-law. Since they were discovered 250 years ago, the Herculaneum scrolls have defied every attempt to read them. Unravel them and they fall apart, leaving just fragments. But now there's been a breakthrough. It happened here in Grenoble at the synchrotron, where they generate ultra-intense beams of photons, the stuff that makes up light.
Here it's a wood stick, but it's more or less the same as the papyrus, so we put the sample...
Watching how the beams behaved after passing through the papyrus, they were able to detect tiny traces of ink.
There is really small difference in the composition, because the ink was made of carbon, and here we have a carbonized papyrus, which means that we have very small differences between that. And thanks to the phenomenon which is called refraction, we can see the very tiny differences in the deviation of the light, and that makes the difference.
Putting all the cross-sections through a computer, they analysed all the many layers inside the rolled-up scroll, and what they found at the end was uncontrovertible. This is ultra-modern science coming to the aid of ancient literature in the most extraordinarily exciting way. Because, look here, this is the inside of one of those burnt-out scrolls. And here, for the first time in nearly 2,000 years, we can read the letters.